Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and this one is related to something we need a lot of motivation for, that is cleaning. So you may consider it as your cleaning motivation video. If you're watching this video, I'm sure, working or non-working, you love taking care of the house. I'm no different. But sometimes it gets way too overwhelming to do such cleaning works, especially when it has been piled up for a long time. In my case, job was the reason, but it can't be an excuse. In this video, I'm going to share a few things that I follow in order to feel motivated to do such chores. There are times when we miss out on maintaining our scheduled deep cleaning work, and then we have this huge dump to clean up. Over the period of time, I have learned taking baby steps always helps. I have realized it doesn't just give me a satisfactory outcome, but it also makes the journey enjoyable and worth it. If you're also experiencing a similar lack of motivation to deep clean the house, I would suggest you to take one step at a time. Do not force yourself to overwork, trying to reset all the corners at once. One part of the house at a time is my way of doing it. I pick the corners based on their condition and the frequency at which that part of the house is used. Let me give you an example to make it simple. Suppose you have two deep cleaning chores pending. One is deep cleaning of the kitchen cabinets, the other one is deep cleaning of the kitchen countertop, just as you see in this video. I know we all want to be superhumans and do both of these all at once. We even do that sometimes and end up getting exhausted. Coming back to the given options, you already know which one would you prioritize. It's your kitchen countertop. The cabinets are only for storage. We don't use it for any live work. But the countertop is our workstation. Be it the washing of utensils, cooking, chopping, grinding, everything is dealt with right here. Neglecting the deep cleaning of countertop is compromising on our family's hygiene. I'm sure you got the point now. I remember reading an article a few years back about motivation towards cleaning your house, and it said, while you are in the process of motivating yourself to clean your house, keep reminding yourself that you deserve a clean house, you deserve a clean kitchen, you deserve a clean washroom, you deserve a clean living room. You're not doing this for anyone else, but for yourself. It is a gift to you from you. Now that sounds interesting, isn't it? It doesn't just make the process therapeutic, but enjoyable too. In a snap, it changes the way you think and feel about cleaning. We all are different from one another, so the ways in which we feel motivated would also be different. Do give this a try and let me know in the comment section whether it helped you or not. I'll be waiting for your comments. I would also be curious to read your comments about how you motivate yourself towards cleaning the house. And oh, there you see, my shiny clean kitchen is already there. So therapeutic, isn't it? I'm very soon going to give my kitchen a drastic makeover which I'm sure all of you would love. I hope this video gave you some motivation to catch up on your pending chores. On that note, I'll wind up this video. To motivate me for making more such videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.